Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making delicious chicken Hakka noodles or chicken chow mein. So keep on watching. So for this, I've heated some oil in a wok and to that add a handful of chopped garlic. So if you're new here, welcome and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. To this I'm adding around 300 grams of boneless chicken. To that add some salt and a little bit of black pepper powder. Mix it well and cook it for around 7 to 10 minutes on a medium heat till the chicken is well cooked. Now once the chicken is cooked, keep the heat on a high and add around half a cup of thinly sliced carrots and half a cup of thinly sliced capsicum or bell peppers. Mix it well and saute it on a high heat. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it well. The vegetables need to be slightly crunchy, so don't overcook the vegetables. Next, add the boiled noodles to it and still keeping the heat on high, mix it all well. Now you can adjust the seasoning. I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 more teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it well so that everything is well combined. And our delicious chicken Hakka noodles is ready. So I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Do check out my other recipes and until next time, bye bye.